Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In one of the comments, someone suggested trying a strap swap between the DW6900 and the DW9052. Both have 16mm slug width, but with different styles. The DW6900 has a fixed connection and a plastic buckle, while the DW9052 has a flexible connection, a back protector, and a metal buckle. Let's start by removing the straps from both watches, beginning with the DW6900. I'm using a simple spring bar remover for this. Taking the strap off this one is a bit harder, while on the DW9052, the strap comes off much more easily. Now let's install the DW9052 strap on the DW6900. It fits easily on both sides. The proportions look good, the connection becomes flexible, and the overall style complements the watch nicely. Let me try it on my wrist. It's comfortable, looks great, and now has a metal buckle. However, there's a noticeable gap at the connection point, similar to the original design of the DW9052. Overall, it's more comfortable, but the visible gap is something to consider. Next, let's try the DW6900 strap on the DW9052. This one's trickier due to the fixed design of the strap, which has a stopper underneath that pushes against the back protector. It takes a bit of effort to fit it in. And now it's installed. It looks okay and also proportional, but there's some gap due to the original design of the DW9052 bezel. The resin band also pushes against the back protector, and there are some overhang with the DW6900 strap. Let me show you both watches now, the DW6900 on the left and the DW9052 on the right, with swapped straps. This simple modification works and makes the DW6900 more comfortable to wear. However, the lug connection gap might be a drawback for some. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.